Welcome, today we're going to show you how to use Airalo eSIM on your iPhone. So, the first thing that you need to actually do is to open Airalo.com website on your Safari browser. Or you can actually search for the app on your App Store. After you download the app, you need to open the app as seen from here. Then, now you will have a lot of options. The first one is to actually choose your eSIM for a single country. So now, if you are going to travel to one country like Thailand or China or any other country, you can actually choose an eSIM for that specific country. Also, the other option that you have is to choose global or regional eSIM. So, if you are traveling to Asian countries, you can choose an Asia eSIM, or if you are traveling to a global countries like a lot of countries in 1 week or something like that, you can actually choose global eSIM. So now you can choose whatever eSIM type you want. So we can actually choose Thailand. So after that, now you will have more than one option. The first one is to actually buy data alone or data with text and calls. If you want to only buy network like 1 gigabyte, 3 gigabytes, or 5 gigabytes, you can choose whatever you want, and every label will have its own price. After you choose your subscription, you can actually now buy your subscription, and after that, now we need to actually activate your eSIM. So, how to do that? So, to install your eSIM, all you need to do is to be in that country. So, now you need to travel and wait until you travel to your country. After that, now you need to activate it by installing with three ways. The first one is direct installation, which I will recommend you, because all you need to do is to just click on install and the eSIM will be installed on your iPhone. So it's very easy. So just click on the eSIM and the details. After you do so, you need to click on install and choose a direct method, and now it will be installed. After that, all you need to do is to just turn on the data to use your eSIM mobile data. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.